The future of hypercars has arrived, and it's faster, smarter, and more beautiful than ever. Introducing the 2026 McLaren P1, a machine that redefines what a supercar can be. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 McLaren P1, it's clear this is no ordinary car. With its razor-sharp lines, dynamic curves, and aggressive stance, McLaren has taken the design to the next level. The P1's sleek, aerodynamic body is not just for show, it's engineered to cut through the air with precision. Step inside, and the future is right at your fingertips. The interior of the 2026 McLaren P1 is a masterclass in design. Featuring a fully digital dashboard, interactive controls, and a cockpit that feels more like a spaceship than a car, every element is crafted to ensure you're not just driving, you're commanding the road. But the real magic happens under the hood. The 2026 McLaren P1 boasts a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 with an electric motor, producing over 1,000 horsepower. This powerhouse can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. The P1 isn't just fast, it's blisteringly fast. What truly sets the 2026 McLaren P1 apart is its handling. With active aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and an ultra-responsive steering system, it's designed to stay glued to the road, whether you're navigating tight corners or pushing it to the limit on the open track. And, let's not forget about the technology. The 2026 P1 is built with cutting-edge carbon fiber, ensuring maximum strength and minimum weight. Paired with a next-gen braking system, this hypercar offers both precision control and blistering acceleration, allowing it to perform like a true race car. Whether you're on the track or cruising on the road, the 2026 McLaren P1 is customizable to suit your driving style. Multiple driving modes, adaptive suspension, and an intuitive infotainment system make this hypercar as versatile as it is powerful. The 2026 McLaren P1 is not just a car, it's a work of art. A revolution in automotive engineering. It's a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and innovation, creating an experience like no other. If you're ready to witness the future of driving, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates on the world's most exclusive cars. The 2026 McLaren P1 is here, and it's everything you've dreamed of.